Hey there, welcome to episode 111 of the Daily Shed, and today I'm going to be showing some fingerstyle basics. And I wanted to show you incorporating some examples of incorporating strumming into fingerpicking, and really vice versa. While you're strumming, you can incorporate some fingerpicking. For this, you can strum with your thumb or your index finger or whatever finger feels comfortable. I often use my index finger, but I'll show this first using the thumb. And let's try strumming just a basic C chord, basic C major chord. And at the end of it, add a little finger picking maneuver. Okay? What I'm doing is just strumming down with the thumb across all the strings, from the second string down. And then hitting the string again with my thumb and pulling up with my index and middle fingers. And I'm adding this, so on the 3rd fret of the high E string, adding a G. Like that, just as simple as that. So that way you're getting the full body of a strum as well. And if you're doing it with your index finger, same way. I often kind of pinch my index and thumb together like that. But just hit, then after your strum, hit with your thumb and hit those top 2 strings. Again, this adds a nice little bit of articulation at the end of it. And a little chord progression after that C, go to A minor. Strum that A minor. And just this little riff, what I'm doing again, I'm hitting the 3rd fret of the high E string. So far we've got the C with the thumb, strum it all the way, and hit your thumb on the A string. Then an E minor, again, using your thumb or your index finger. And again, same move, pluck up on the bottom 2 strings. Fret on the 3rd fret of the E string, and end with a G, just a regular G like this. And I'm suspending it by adding the 1st fret of the B string, it's C there. So once again, through the whole chord progression. This will sort of introduce you to the feeling of doing strumming, but keeping it, you basically have to keep it in control. You don't want to be, doing a Pete Townsend strum. You want to keep your strums kind of small enough that you can then hit with your thumb on the root. Even if you don't hit those additional notes, just the feeling of picking through to add a little articulation to the strum is nice. So just without doing any additional notes, just your regular C major, A minor, E minor. Again, just hit, I'm pulling up with my middle and index fingers. So down with the thumb or your index finger. Then hit the root with your thumb. Again. Ending with a strum. So I hope this idea is useful to you. You can try it with any other chord progression that you like. And just try that with doing a strum on the downbeat at the beginning of the measure. Just do a big strum and then hit with your thumb and pull up, just to add a little bit of finger picking articulation to it. Let me know any comments or questions you might have, and as always, thanks so much for watching.